Youngstown. We do have sunny skies to start off this morning. It's going to be a much quieter weather day ahead in southern New England in general. There's still a slight chance of a thunderstorm in the afternoon, but most spots are going to stay dry. North Scituate, sun is shining. We've been keeping an eye on the visibility this morning as we've been tracking a little bit of patchy fog, but the threat tracker back in that low category for today, Friday and Saturday. Temperatures out the door this morning. We are in the upper 50s in Smithfield, one of the cooler starts this morning. Willimantic has had some fog at 60 degrees, similar in Groton at 61. Providence is bright and clear at 63. In Newport, you're starting off with sunshine and middle 60s. Dew points have dropped a little bit this morning, but they do climb back up. It will be a muggy day ahead on our beach forecast. Partly sunny skies, upper 70s for highs on the bay today. Northwest winds turning south and southwest at about 5 to 10 knots. Have a high tide coming up here this morning at 6 and a low tide at 11:22 a.m. So the storm system in the upper levels of the atmosphere that's been stuck over New England all week long is finally going to be pushing away today. In fact, just moving out of Rhode Island this morning. We did have some showers along the coastline in the early part of the night. All that activity right now is well offshore. Now with this system close to us, and it is offshore, but close enough to maybe spark an isolated shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. Any activity is really few and far between. So this is 9 o'clock this morning. Temperatures at that point already up into the lower to mid 70s. And then as we head into the afternoon, 1:30, we're looking at lower and mid 80s inland and mid to upper 70s along the coastline. And there we are, 6 o'clock in the evening. You can see some of that isolated activity just to the west of us. Wouldn't be out of the question for an isolated storm to hit across Rhode Island or southeastern Massachusetts too. So just be on the lookout for that at the end of the day today. Any of that activity winding down as the sun goes down, and the temperatures tonight are going to stay warm and humid. We're in the upper 70s at 8 o'clock. 72 at midnight and still close to 70 when you wake up tomorrow morning. We are tracking a backdoor cold front tomorrow. It's going to put the brakes on a warm up for us, so we'll hit highs in the upper 70s early in the afternoon. But as this front approaches, some scattered showers are possible, mostly in western New England. As that front continues to push to the south and east in the evening hours, we'll get a northeasterly flow that'll bring our temperatures down into the lower 70s for the end of the day Friday. So kind of a cool finish to the day. On the beaches on Saturday, morning clouds giving way to sunshine. Our afternoon highs in the lower 70s. Beaches Sunday looking a little warmer in the upper 70s. Here's how that 7-day forecast looks. Up mid 80s for today, then those upper 70s for highs on Friday afternoon. Again, the high reached early in the day, then cooling as the afternoon and evening goes on. I have us with clouds giving way to sunshine for your Independence Day. It's actually very comfortable temperatures. If you've got a barbecue that you might be hosting for a few friends, the temperatures at 1 o'clock in the afternoon around 73, and at 5 o'clock 76 degrees. I was saying to one of my coworkers that it's actually kind of would have been perfect parade conditions in the morning, kind of cool, dry, and a little bit cloudy. Sunday's highs in the lower 80s, the warmest day for headed to the beach.